Meaning of falafel.
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 Falafel. Falafel is a popular Middle Eastern food, made from ground chickpeas or fava beans mixed with herbs and spices. The mixture is shaped into balls or patties and then deep-fried to produce a crispy exterior while remaining soft and flavorful on the inside. Falafel is often served in a pita bread pocket with vegetables and tahini sauce, making it a popular vegetarian street food. Overall, falafel is a tasty and nutritious food that has gained worldwide popularity due to its unique flavor and versatility in terms of how it can be served.